How far is it?
36.
36. 36 yards. Okay, I'll stop interrupting. Very quiet.
I think it'd be a lot more entertaining. Let's switch that camera around. Let me see it.
Hi.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Come on, we'll follow you up.
No.
Yeah.
You know I'll fall. Let me carry your boat.
No.
Pull out the arrow. Just kidding. I'm gonna try it.
Let's go up there. Tell me if you think that's a kill shot.
It's a kill shot. I can tell that right there.
Did we catch the 10 ring?
It sits in a 10. It's inside the 10 because this is your 12. 10, 8. All right?
Yeah.